What is EnTrade? What has a water company got to do with soil health? And why had Wessex Water hired a tree hugger to run a start-up environmental services company? Well, in a nutshell, EnTrade was conceived off the back of a decade of catchment management in the Poole Harbour area, where it has got a good track record of collaborating closely with farmers on the ground to provide, to harness their environmental services to tackle the problem of eutrophication, which is dogging Poole Harbour. Through that catchment management, they've saved over £80 million worth of avoided costs to the water customer through avoiding expensive point source treatment through a series of measures. But building on that, EnTrade has come out and been conceived as a way of providing a fair marketplace in which farmers can compete and collaborate to offer their environmental services, in this case to a water company, at a more cost-effective price. In this case, it's in the context of a nutrients market, where we're trying to avoid the level of nitrates running off the catchment into Poole Harbour. Since June 2016, by employing a reverse auctions process through EnTrade, we've engaged through 6 auctions, measures in 475 fields, engaging 50 farmers on over 3,000 hectares of land, delivering 200 tonnes of nitrate savings at a bid at £300,000. That's a 30% saving on the previous fixed price and a quarter of the cost of the asset solution. What does any of that got to do with soil health? The point being, the measures being invested in this case are locking up soil carbon, providing living root systems throughout the year, and avoiding the kind of runoff that contributes to the problems that other speakers have already spoken about. It is but one example of the kind of ecosystem services that I think the farming industry has to offer, and that can be unlocked through market-based approaches that, like EnTrade. So my 3-point plan hinges fundamentally on collaboration, joining the dots, and taking a systems approach, much in the way that other speakers have already touched upon. Through better collaboration, we can not only develop better measures of soil health, which I think are absolutely critical and clearly centrally posted in the 25-year plan. We can share innovation and pool best practice, but fundamentally, and this is where I think EnTrade has an exciting role to play, create markets in which farmers can compete on a fair basis for the funding that we know is available both through the private sector and through the public sector to trade and tap into their know-how and capability to deliver a better, not only improved soil health, a better natural environment and a productive and profitable farming industry. That I contend is the future.